Today, we're going to draw a coconut tree using glitter colors. So grab your art tools and let's get started.
Welcome to Tiny Hands Art.
Yay!
First, I draw the trunk of the tree. It's nice and curved. Now I'm drawing the leaves on both sides. They look like big green feathers. And you know a coconut tree can grow up to 30 meters tall. That's almost as tall as a 10-story building. Let's add some coconuts in the middle. Next, I draw straight lines on the trunk to divide it for coloring. Finally, I draw some stones at the bottom. It makes the tree look like it's on a beach. Now it's time to color. Let's start with glitter green for all the leaves. Look how shiny they are. You know what coconut trees can live for more than 60 to 80 years if they are healthy. I use orange for fruits. For the tree trunk, I'm using 2 glitter colors. First, I color some sections with orange. And now, I fill the rest with glitter gold. Finally, I use glitter yellow for the stones at the bottom. Wow! Our glitter coconut tree looks amazing! If you had fun drawing with me, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more colorful art videos. See you next time! Bye-bye!